afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and congratulations for getting almost halfway through the presentations. My name's Alice, this is Elliot, and along with Kate, Cam, David and Will, we are Team India, and we've made an application that we hope will solve a problem that we can all relate to. So we've all got a grandparent/parents, there's someone we know who really struggles with technology, and explaining to them what they should do when they're stuck can be really difficult. Most of the time they don't understand the problem itself, and explaining it is just a pain. So NHS Digital gave us a brief to create an application or a set of applications that could control devices remotely. So from your application, wherever you are, could control devices in your grandparents' home, and also allow sort of a social connection, so like a voice link, so the support becomes more of like a tradition. We also wanted it to be really accessible. We wanted to be able to send images back and forth. So what we've made a remote control. We've got an IR bridge that can send infrared signals and control a device. We've got an application that connects to that through Bluetooth. So this is the grandparents application. So a remote control for the remote control. Then we have another application. This is owned by the help giver. So this help giver application sends a signal over Wi-Fi to a server back to the grandparents application. So remote control, remote control, remote control. Or a great grand remote, as you may like to refer to it as.
Okay, so we've made two apps. We have one for the service user and one for the help giver. The service user's app and phone is responsible for connecting to the infrared Bluetooth bridge, which is the device that controls all the consumer IR devices around the home. The service user can also ask for help from the help giver to control any of these consumer IR devices. In addition, the service user can initiate a voice call with the help giver so that they can talk about the problem that they're facing and fix it together. And finally, the service user can also ask the help giver for help by sending them photos of the problematic device. And the help giver can then draw on the diagram and send it back so that the service user will understand at a glance which button to press, where to aim the remote control at, so on and so forth. And to do all this, we have a centralized server to facilitate command passing behind network address translation. We have a voice server, which is doing a session initiation protocol, and the server also marshals commands and images across the internet. All this leads to a great grand remote app that allows you to solve your problems together as a family from anywhere you are. And this is an overview of our architecture. The important thing to know is that we have a backend server that's running somewhere on the internet. In this case, it's Google Cloud Platform. That's written in Java. It's holding a database to store our authentication tokens and the pairing process token, as well as the SIP server itself, which is used for relaying voice. And this is important because this allows you to solve your grandparents' problems from anywhere you are, which means that there's no excuse for you to not call your grandparents.
So we quickly go over the way that app works. So there's a pairing process which is done with QR codes because we wanted to be as easy and simple as possible. So they can just simply scan the QR code and then you're paired. You can take a nice picture and then you'll appear on their phone and they can just click your face to call you. So it's unbelievably simple. Calling's pretty simple. You click the face, you send a call, you accept the call. Once you're in call, you can send each other pictures, you can draw on the images, press this button, that sort of idea. And then you can also go to the infrared sort of the device control list and send controls which will go through the bridge. So if we were going to do more, if we had more time, we'd like to kind of possibly add video calls, integrate it with more obvious sort of Internet of Things, so like Alexa, IoT Hub, stuff like that. We'd kind of want it to be more scalable and, yeah, extend it in other ways. Thank you very much for listening.